Did you know that there's a low cost, high profit business that you can do on the side? That's so easy, even a kid can do it, and all in the convenience of your own home. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how a mug business is all that and much more. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIY Mug Biz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. And if you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how you can get my ultimate DIY Mug Biz programs for beginners. In this program, I'll teach you how you can start your own online coffee mug business from A to Z. Now, let's get to the video. Selling coffee mugs online as a side business is low cost. The reason why it's low cost is because the equipment and inventory you need is very minimal. The equipment that you'll need upfront is your printer to print out the designs on and your heat press. And as for the inventory, you'll need your mugs, your ink that will print out the design, and your paper to print the design on. And that's pretty much all that you need to start up your online coffee mug business. So that's not very costly. When you start off, you don't need a lot of mugs. You'll only need a few, and as you get busier, you can buy more and keep them in-house. Secondly, the high profit. Doing it yourself is very profitable. And the reason why it's very profitable is because you're doing it yourself, so you're cutting off the middleman and you're keeping that money for yourself. And because you're doing it yourself, you're able to offer gift wrapping. So instead of doing a mug business, consider it being a gift giving business. And if you're in a gift giving business and say your gift that you're giving is mugs and you specialize in mugs, therefore you can price it more than your competitors because you're offering something that they're not. And people are willing to pay for a gift. So your profit can be anywhere between a few bucks to 15 bucks. I'm gonna share to you what my profit is in my gift giving business, which is roughly $15 per mug. So the profitability is definitely there in a mug business. Lastly, whether you are a stay-at-home parent or working a 9-to-5 job, you can definitely incorporate a mug business as a side hustle or a side business. The reason why is because it's so convenient and it's so easy. I recently started training my 14-year-old son how to make mugs, print the design, print the labels, and put it on the mugs and burn the mugs and even gift wrap, pack it. He was able to do it in less than a month. And how he did it was because of the easy steps that I had taught him. And if you're thinking about hitting the ground and starting your own online coffee mug business, I do have a ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners. And in that program, everything that I taught my son that's so easy, I put it in that program to teach you. And when I say that it's so easy, it's because anyone can do it. So if you're thinking about doing a side business, a mug business is the best way to go. Again, it's low cost, it's high profit, and you can do it around your 9-to-5 jobs, or if you're a stay-at-home parent with little ones, you can do it when it's more convenience for you. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, once you get home from work, you can make your mugs, and the next day, while you're on your way to work, drop it off at the post office. So let's say if you work at 8 o'clock and the post office doesn't open till 9, well, there's these drop-off boxes in the lobby or outside the lobby that's not within operating hours, and you can just go in and drop off your box and then go about your day. So if you're wanting to start your own online coffee mug business and you're not sure how to, I do have the ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners. And in that program, it teaches you how to start your mug business from A to Z. And I'll show you where you can get your inventories and your equipment, how to make your designs, and how to print your designs and put it on your coffee mugs, along with burning and also packing your mugs the correct way so that it does not break. And I call it my no break shipping guarantee. So if you're ready to invest in yourself and hit the ground running, let me show you where you can get the ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners. The link for the ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners is in the description. You may also find that link in the comment below. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this page, you can either hit the I want the program now, or you can scroll down and get some more information before you commit. The Ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners simplifies the process of starting a mug business and shows you how you can easily make and sell mugs yourself so you can keep the profit. So why start a mug business? Well, the massive rise in dropshipping and order fulfillment has brought many coffee mug sellers to the marketplace. However, these business models suffer from low profitability, long lead times, low quality control, and low supply risks, leaving opportunity for DIY for sellers like us. Some of the benefits of starting your own mug business and doing it yourself: the gift mugs are in high demand, low competition amongst DIY sellers, low startup investment, high profit margins, and of course, who doesn't want to work from home? Derek and I have been selling coffee mugs online for over 7 years now, and we've learned a thing or two. So let us teach you. We want to be able to share that information with you so that you don't have to go through the learning curve like we did. If you continue to scroll down, you'll be able to know how many modules there is and what the module consists of. There are 5 modules and 29 lessons. And if you continue to keep scrolling down, you'll be able to know exactly what's in the lesson of each module. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, to start your own online coffee mug business, this is the right program for you. Go ahead and click the enroll button. Once you click on that enroll now button, it'll take you to sign up page. Go ahead and enter your information. Once you enter that information, click the buy now button. Once you click that buy now button, you'll receive an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. We hope to see you in the program. If you like this video and if it was helpful, please hit the like button. And again, if you're wanting to start your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I'll see you in the next video.